Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this, I want to creating a Laravel project. This project, the name Lutfi Store. Lutfi Store. This food store. And then step one. After all tools have been prepared, we can immediately continue learning to create a Laravel project using Composer. In Laravel itself, there are several ways to create a project, but this time we will use Composer Create Project. The aim is to be able to install Laravel with the version we specify. Step 1. Create a Laravel project. Laravel project can be created anywhere, but I would be better if friend using XMPP can be placed in the folder htdocs. Please enter the folder we will show project the run following command in the terminal. Yes, we're going to terminal. Create a Laravel project. Wait. This Lutfi Store. The name Lutfi Store in this, Lutfi Store. Waiting to install Laravel project. And then we wait. We in the project Laravel Lutfi Store. What is how we can in the project Laravel Lutfi Store? We create cd Lutfi Store. Ini. And then stop and running cd tadi ini. And then PHP artisan self. After successfully entering the project, now please run the following command in terminal or cmd. PHP artisan serve. Klik. What? This. And then running struggling PHP artisan struggling. Please run the following command to terminal outside and make sure you end up. Because we will be uploading image to the website, image to the website, we need to create a storage link. The aim is for Laravel to be able to read folders storage via folders public. First run the following command in the terminal or cmd and make sure you are in the Laravel project. Yeah. Success. Yeah. Success. And then after successfully creating a Laravel project, we'll continue to the some configuration in the file env. Step 1, database connection. Please friend open the project using text editor. Define the file .env and looking for the following code. SQL Laravel this env file env this, and then we are setting DB connection SQL it. Please change the configuration above to be as follows, and this. Lutfi store. Step 2. This file system still in the file env, namely please look the following code. Local file system disk local. The change into the following public. Why public? Because above we change the original use local to public because the explanation is if we add local, then the file we are going to upload will go into the folder storage app private, so the file cannot be accessed directly. Meanwhile, if you see public, the upload files will be put into the storage app public. What is Raja Ongkir? Raja Ongkir is a website a press service API that provides the shipping catch information from various carriers in Indonesia such as Pos Indonesia, JNE, Tiki, PCPSL, and RPX. And then Raja Ongkir installation and configuration. After now what Raja Ongkir is, we will continue to learn how to install and configure the website we are developing. Step 1, register for a Raja Ongkir account. Wait. But I have account Raja Ongkir ya. And then I not register again for a Raja Ongkir account. But you don't have, register now. Yeah. APK. Step 2, configuration Raja Ongkir. Please open the file env, then add the following code. This. and then wait. Foods to wait. Happy AK. Nice. And then we a name file with the name rajangkir.php and the folder config, then added the following code in rajangkir new file in folder config. Nice. Rajangkir. After that, please create a new file with the name rajangkir, then enter following code in. Yeah. What is payment gateway? Payment gateway is system the bridge between sellers and buyers. The system is usually used in an online stores or e-commerce by using payment gateway. And then instalasi and configuration method. Mission is one the payment gateway service in Indonesia that is very popular and widely used because its integration method is a company that is part of the Gojek group. Yeah. Yeah. Please fill in the information and to business. The midterm break sandbox. Yeah, and I'm in the sandbox and production. Here make sure we use the type sandbox because it is still in the testing process later is if it is rarely fixed and used online, then we can replace it with production. After that, now click the menu pengaturan access setting, then now have got the creation merchant ID client key and server key. Yeah. Oh no. No. Nice. This. And then step install the Mitran package. Now we continue the terminal CMD and make sure run the Elafra project. Yeah. And then step 3 configure Mitran. Now we continue the Mitran configuration process in the Elafra project. Please open the file env to add the following code. Env nice. Please create a new file mitrans php and the folder config mitrans php mitrans and enter the following code in. And then creating models and migration. Step 1 creating model and migration category. PHP Artisan model category. And then if the comment above is successfully request files, namely app models category migration. After successfully generation, we can change at the following section. And this database migration. Wait. Database migration. And this nice. Change into the following section. Public function app file. Nice. In the above change, we add 3 fields, namely image string to save the image name string to save the category name, slug string the store category slugs. Adding mesh assignment after successfully adding files in the migration file. The next step is to add mesh assignment in the model. Please open the file app models category and change all the coded be as follows. App models. And then Creating product model and migration. We continue to create models and migration for product data. Now please run the following command in the terminal CMD and make sure in the Laravel project. Then please friend open the migration file in the folder after successfully generation model and migration. Public function avoid in this and this. In the above change, we added 3 files names: category ID, usenet band, integer, foreign key to create a relation to able categories: image string to save the image, title string to save the product name, slug string to store the product slug, description text to save product information, price integer to save product price, weight integer to save product weight. Adding mesh assignment. Next, to add mesh assignment in the model product, please open the file as model product. Change a code. Creating customer models and migration. And then we change migration. Public function up. In the above change, we add 4 files names: image string no label. Why? To save the image name and is not required to be filed in. Name string to save customer name, email string to save customer emails, password string to store customer password. Adding mesh assignment. Next is to add mesh assignment the model customer. Please open the file app model customer.php. Creating chart, model, and migration. Then code public function up. In this above change, we add 3 files name: customer ID, type data, usenet by big integer foreign key to get a relation to a table customer product ID, integer foreign key to create a relation a table products, integer to store equity. Chart this, and then creating province model and migration. Change this. Then next to SMAT province. PHP. And then from the code change above, we add a property name fielable. If concerned the files we fielable, protect your fielable at the name. Step 6, creating GT model and migration. Then change place for migration a folder. And then in above we add 2 files, namely name string to save the city name, province name, the create a relation to a table province. Adding to a message and city.php. Creating a model migration transaction. This change this public function up, and then wait. In the above change we add 9 fields, namely customer ID to create a relation to a table customer, premises ID to create a relation table province, city ID using by integer to create a relation a table, info string, the save the invoice weights integer, the save weight address, the save the address total, the save total shopping, decimal enum string, total white string, the save snap token from Mintrans transaction. And then transaction detail. Nice. In the above change we added 4 files, namely transaction ID to create a relation a table transaction, production ID to create a relation to a table products, kitty integer to store quantity, price integer to save the price. Transaction detail. Shipping, create shipping models. The transaction data related to transaction. Wait. And then change function up. In the above change we added 4 files, namely transaction to create a relation to able transaction, shipping carrier to save the carrier name, shipping service to save carrier service, shipping cost to save shipping price. Yeah, high price shipping Shopee price in the Shopee food and any other Shopee mall. Hehe. And then we change shipping dot php, and then model rating. You get rating, rating product, and then we change public function apply. In the above change we add 5 files, namely transaction detail ID to create a relation to able transaction details, customer ID defined by integer to create a relation to a table customer, product ID to create a relation to able products, rating to save the number of ratings, review string to save the review. Yeah, so review rating is another ratings. Adding message assignment rating dot php. Oh no. Oh shit. Hey yo, what the fuck. Hey, wait. Rating php, and then make model slider. the above change, we add four files, namely image string to save the image name, link string to label the save the slider link, and it's not mandatory to fill in the mesh assignment. Next to each add a mesh assignment in the model slider, please open the file slider and then after successfully creating model migration, step 1 to manage category products into many. Allocation relationship. After successfully creating model and migration, then we will continue to learn to add relationship in the model. This aims to connect between related tables. Into many categories to product into many. Now we will open model kategori titik php dot php. Belongs to product to category owned by step 2. Now we will create a relation belongs to from table products to able categories. The goal is so that we can also call the prepared data category from the product data. Please friend open the file app model products.php. Change the code to be as follows: product.php. One to many transaction to transaction detail, one to many. In this, has many, one to many transaction dot php. And then step 4 has one transaction to shipping 1 to 1. We continue to create a relationship has one from table transaction to table shipping. This means that one data in the main table transaction only has one related data in the another table shipping. Please friends open the file epsilon.transaction.php. Step 5 onto many product to rating onto many. On to many, one to many. The one to many. Here we will create a relation one to many on to many from table product to table rating. This means that in one product can have many rating or reviews. Products.php. And then this. From the code change above, we add a new method with the name rating and the created relationship. Step 6 belongs to transaction to customer owned by. Next is to create a relationship belongs to between the able transaction, which this means that there is a transaction customer data owned by a customer. Please open the file transaction.php. To send the code base as follows: transaction, and then from the code change we add new method with the name customer, and it will create a relationship belongs to the model customer. Step 7 belongs to transaction to province owned by. Next we will create a relationship belongs to between the able transaction with province. For example, transaction with ID, another ID is directed to the province West Java. Please open the file fmodel transaction.php. Step I belongs to transaction to cities owned by just like above. Here we will create a relationship belongs to for transaction with cities. For example, transaction with ID is directed to the city Bandung. Open transaction and then wait. From the code city method we name city and create a relationship belongs to the model city. Step 9 1 to many, province to cities 1 to many. And this time we will create a relation 1 to many, namely one province. There can be many cities and districts in it. Province.php province. Has many city class. From the code change above we add new method. Step 10 belong to cities province owned by. Now we will make the opposite, which is where the data in the table cities is owned by the data in the parent table province. For example, the city of Bandung is in the province of West Java. Model city.php city belongs to. This belongs to. Step 11 cards to product owned by. Next we will create a belongs to relationship between the cards and products table. For example, in the gaming laptop, in the card is connected the product gaming laptop in the products table. Card. Step 12 belongs to cards to customer owned by. Next we will create a belongs to relationship between the cards on and customer table. For example, the item gaming laptop in the cards owned by customer name Lutfi in the customer table. Please open the file card.php. Belongs to. Step 13 belongs to transaction details to products owned by. Next we will create belong to relationship between the transaction details and products table. For example, the gaming laptop item in the transaction details is connected to the gaming laptop product in the products table. Please open the file. The change is called transaction details. Then step 14 belong to rating to customer owned by. Next we will catch belong to relationship between the rating and customer table. Please open the file rating.php. Next, create city province. Now we will continue to create a seeder for provincial and city data from Raja Angker. The purpose of provincial and city data being stored in the database is so that we do not always request the Raja Angker API. Wait. Nice. And then database seeder change code behavior. If above command is successfully executed in the folder province table and the name province table seeder the folder in the folder database seeder this nice province table seeder in this, and then change the code and then above first import to the model province because we will use this model to insert data. Use app model province in this, and then use URI mode. After that we also import the HTTP clean fetched from Laravel or complain collect gazelle. This we will be used fetch into a REST API. Use illuminate, and then and inside the method run we add some code more or less like this. Response, and then above we make an on HTTP request on an end-to-end point Raja Ongkir, and the method used is get, and we also include APK in the seeder. And this next creating seeder cities. After successfully creating a seeder the province data, we will continue to create data for cities. Please run the following command in the terminal cmd and make sure you are in the Laravel project. This, and then change code. And this nice. Above with model city, app model city is element facades HTTP clean, and insert the method run. Add some code more or less like this above. Junker. After the data is obtained, we repeat it using for edge and insert data using in the model. Change a code running migration and seeder. Register seeder. Before running migrate and seed, register seeder and database seeder. This nice. This in this and this. And then wait. 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 Sekarang assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.